एक आदमी था, उसके पास एक जिन्न जैसा था। तो उसको जो इच्छा होती थी वो उसकी पूरा हो जाती थी। सो राइट फ्रॉम हिज चाइल्डहुड उसको सब कुछ उसके अनुकूल मिला। क्यों? क्योंकि उसके पास वो जिन्न था। और सोचता कि मेरे को प्यार हासिल हो तो प्यार मिल जाता है, सोचता मेरे को पढ़ाई में सक्सेस हासिल हो, वो फिर सोचा अच्छी नौकरी मिले, वो भी हासिल हो गया। फिर सोचा शादी वादी हो जाए, बच्चे बच्चे हो जाए, वो भी हो गया। बढ़िया गाड़ी बंगला सब कुछ हो गया। फिर बोला भाई अब बच्चों की शादी शुदी हो जाए तो शादी वादी भी हो गई, सब कुछ हो गया। Now, these are all the worldly things. अब वो बूढ़ा हुआ, ये सब चीज़ें तो हो गई, अब करने वाला काम तो कुछ बाकी ही नहीं रहा। अब जो बाकी रहा वो तो होने को एक्सपीरियंस करने वाला काम बाकी रहा। इसकी पढ़ाई कभी की नहीं थी तो उनकी जो ज़िंदगी बीती वो गिले शिकवे वाली बीती, डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट दैट उनके पास जिन्न था। उस जिन्न के होने की वजह से ही वो हमेशा अनस्टेबल रहे, इनसिक्योर रहे और खुश कभी नहीं रहे। विचार करिए इस पे। खुश कभी नहीं रहे, अनस्टेबल रहे, इनसिक्योर रहे और हर एक में उनको थ्रेट दिखी। हिज थ्रेट परसेप्शन वॉज वेरी हाई। और जो है, हालांकि उनको सबसे प्यार मिला, दूसरों को अंदर की खबर नहीं थी ना, हालांकि उनको दूसरों से बहुत प्यार मिला, पर वो कभी किसी को प्यार नहीं कर पाए। वाई? बिकॉज दे ऑलवेज सॉ अ थ्रेट in the other person. Don't think too much. खाली इतना ही सोचो जितना मैं बोल रहा हूँ। They always saw a threat in the other person, so उसको कभी भी वो प्यार महसूस नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं कर पाया। दूसरे कर रहे होंगे, वो नहीं कर पाया। तो कुल मिला के बात ये हुई कि जब वो मर रहा था, that time he was full of complaints against life, against people, despite the fact that he got everything that he wanted. Yet full of complaints and expectations. And those expectations were unfulfilled. Expectations kept rising and unfulfilled till the death. Now there was another person who had expectations from life, from the childhood, because that's the environment he grew in. But he never got what the first person got. Expectations were the same, but he never got what the first person got because he didn't have that Aladdin ka chirag. As a result, somewhere in midlife, he realized that bhai, there is no use of running around, because there is no such thing as Aladdin ka chirag. It is just a coincidence that events are coinciding with your desires. Events are happening, he realized. Events are happening on their own accord, in their own time and space and pace. So he did not have, he realized, so he did not have any desire from the life and the others from then on. Till then his life was very turbulent. There's a marked difference in the life of the two. Very turbulent, but after this, he realized there's no point having a desire. He also, by now, was very comfortable with the fact that things were not going his way, things were following their own way. Now he was comfortable. Why? Because he had no desire. So when this man was dying, he had no unfulfilled desire left, because the desires had already gone, and those which were unfulfilled till the time of realization, which remained unfulfilled, got nullified the moment he came to know the nature of the events and the fruitlessness, the worthlessness of having a desire. The moment he came to know, they got cancelled out. No fresh desire was existing. So when he died, he was a satisfied man. I would not say satisfied. He didn't have a desire. He was peaceful. Now think what these two people would be discussing sitting somewhere on top. What would they be discussing when they exchange their notes? This is what each one of us should give a thought to. What do you say? See, she is also come. आप भी विचार करें, think over it. What is the life that we desire? What should we get? How should we live? Thank you.